वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू मेक गोवन कोकोनट आरोस. सो आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचो गोंयचो नाल्लाच्या रोसाचो पुलाव. तर रोसाचो पुलाव यू कॅन से, और नाल्लाच्या रोसाचो पुलाव. And for that what we need is, so this I washed and soaked. So this is 1.5 cup measurement is this. So 1.5 cup of basmati rice. So you can use any basmati, whatever you want. So you can have this biryani basmati dawat, which I prefer always dawat. This you can add, or you can add this one, pulao basmati rice. So today I've added dawat pulao basmati rice, and that is 1.5 cup. Then we need around 2 onions chopped this way, and half of the onion I have chopped, I have sliced it. Then few cashew nuts. So these are around 10 of cashew nuts. Then this is thick juice, coconut juice, which is of one whole coconut. I have taken big one, and that is I have extract thick coconut version, that is 2 cups of thick coconut version and 1 cup of thin version coconut juice, or you can say coconut milk or coconut juice. Then I'm not going to add any spices because we have in our garden a new plant which is called Allspice. Now Allspice plants, it has all the flavors, that is cardamoms, that is cloves, nutmeg, then pepperish, and cinnamon. So this all makes into this flavor. I have tasted it and it is yum. So it is in our garden now and growing well. So I'm using 3 of this and no other spices, because this allspice will give flavor to my coconut rice. Okay, so it is coconut rice recipe. Oil and ghee will be added accordingly. So let's start. So we'll take around 2 tablespoons of oil, normal oil. Let it get heat up, and then we will add our cashew nuts and onion. Let them get roast together. First we'll add onion. So now I'll add the onion. And fry this nicely. So for the new generation, when you are using any non-stick or any vessel, then always try to use a wooden or a silicone to stir. Now we'll add our cashew nuts to this. And fry this nicely. Now we'll add our allspice so that the flavor goes to the onion. And it will go to our rice also. Now we will add salt to taste. Now we will add salt. Salt is according to you. Now we'll add our rice. So this recipe is without Maggi cube, but if anybody wants to add Maggi cube, then they can add Maggi cube for flavor. So now we will add our thin version. Mix this nicely. And now we will add our thick version also. Mix it nicely. And we will cover this and cook this till our rice is cooked. Okay. So we'll give a boil and then we'll cover. Now you can add turmeric powder or whatever you want, but I want to give a coconut color, so white. So once the boil comes, then I will cover it, and in medium flame we have to cook this. So here the boil came, and now I will cover this and make it on medium and cook this till the rice is done. Here is our coconut rice, Goan Coconut Pulao, Goan Coconut Rice is ready. आमचो Arroz जावन आसा ready. आणि आता हांव gas on कोत्ता. So I'll put off my gas and leave it covered. So in that only it will get this. ओहत बंद करून दवरपाचो आनी उबेनूच मागीर ऑलरेडी तेजे रोस सगलो सुकलो. So now it is done. मागीर तुका आमी फायनल दाखयता कशें प्रेजेंटेशन करूंक जाय पळय तें. Thank you.
And here it is ready, Goan Coconut Arroz. Thank you.